Actually, this place is for hiking lovers.
Yeah.
Normal people they'll say, "What's this?" Actually.
Look at there. Look at that stroke now.
Amen. We have just arrived at the starting point for our hiking. Wow, what an amazing view. This is the starting point for the hiking in Jebel Jais. So you can see that people have come with their families and they are enjoying here. So Sam, you can come enjoy your life and your weekend.
We are mostly here and we are going to start the hike at the Jebel Jais upper level. And with me there is a Jalen.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi there.
From Turkey, nice to meet you.
Okay, so we are starting and it is so interesting. Let's see what happens inshallah.
So cold here.
So
Yeah.
cool, yeah.
While going up there for your hiking, you need to register yourself here for the security. Some sort of the security check. It's good, I think. That's above the hilltop. We are having our target, our destination. It's really nice smell here. Behind us, you can see a spectacular view of Jebel Jais. You can see it's amazing. So it's a shortcut, I think. Should we take it as well? I don't think so. From here you can see the breathtaking view of Jebel Jais. It's a great place. Wow. How are you feeling?
Good.
The higher you climb, the better is the view and the nicer.
This is the place we're going?
Yes.
Only?
The flag?
Not only there are many peaks.
Oh.
Just the first.
So right now we are here. Now we have started our second journey in Jebel Jais.
Oh.
Really great. The place is getting harder, I think.
Huh?
I think it's getting harder to go ahead.
Yeah, I know that. Well, because
We must go.
There are no steps. We just have to go on the rocks. It's really nice smell. Adil, can you smell it?
Yeah,
Like, yeah, sheep smell. Like we are really enjoying it. Wow, it's a really nice place. We have to climb like this. Yeah, sun is gone. So it's getting darker. Yeah, after sunset, we're not sure that how can we be able to chase Mr. Austin. Just take care. People will call us crazy. Oh, great.
oh my god,
So scary.
it does look scary.
I'm just looking there.
Man, you come from here, you see the view from here, then you will.
Austin, I don't think it will just go away like that.
You know
Just
why
right, I need to
said that?
capture these moments.
Momentos! Un, dos, tres.
Look down.
Come here. Come.
Oh, goodness.
Scary, you know.
Jiran,
My goodness.
Jiran, come this side now. Come this side. Now you see from
It's
here.
really scary and nice place.
Oh,
Actually, this place is for hiking lovers.
Yeah. See?
Normal people they'll say, "What's this?"
I'm
Actually.
jumping.
Austin, don't go.
Look at there. Look at that stroke now.
Amen. It's a really great view.
It's like you are in the air.
Wow, great, amazing and marvelous. Really nice, really nice. Believe me, like it's a mind-blowing place.
Oh, guys, this is the end.
No, that's the
Yeah, I mean, like, we are almost at the end.
Take
Wow.
care, guys.
Right at the moment, we are at the top of
At the top of
Jebel
Jebel
Jais mountain. We have just finished our hiking. The climbing is finished,
Not
actually.
finished, but-
Not finished, but actually the climbing is finished, and now we
it's running.
It's dark now, so
even darker.
we need to move.
Orange.
Yeah, Sir Austin is offering us some oranges.
Orange and bananas.
Thank you. We have just started descending, so going down now. This is for crazy guys doing hiking at night. It's like a darker night now, and the crazy people are going for hiking. We have arrived back, and you can see the beautiful view at night. I think it was really nice trip for us, for all of us. We really enjoyed, and I would highly recommend it for not for beginners but for hiking lovers. It's a very nice place to visit, and it's a nice place to go for hiking. Here is the viewing deck point, Jebel Jais. It has a 5 dirhams entry ticket, but actually we didn't pay because we were going for hiking. So if you are going for hiking from this place, so you don't have to pay anything, and you can directly go for hiking. It's totally free. Thank you very much guys for watching this video, and we have finished our journey, and I hope you will enjoy if you are going for your hiking trip to Jebel Jais.